Good day, life science students. Welcome to video lecture episode 15. Today we begin the last chapter of the school year, and that will be chapter 27, dealing with conserving resources. Alright, so let's now move into slide 92 and talk about two terms in connection with that. The first term is ethics. What are ethics? They're moral principles that govern a person's behavior or the conducting of an activity. And the other word we're going to consider is conservation. Conservation is an ethic of resource use, allocation, and protection. Its primary focus is upon maintaining the health of the natural world, its fisheries, habitats, and biological diversity. Okay, if we look at slide 93, we got an interesting quote here. It's a Native American proverb. It says, "We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children." Just something to keep in mind. All right. Slide 94 has an interesting one. "Sometimes the questions are complicated and the answers are simple." Interesting. Now let's look at the main ideas for this chapter, chapter 27. Well, let's start off with the first one. The first main idea is resources. And Earth has natural resources that can be replenished as well as natural resources that cannot be replenished. And we'll be talking about those. We're also going to talk about pollution. Air, water, and soil pollution have many causes, including hazardous waste and the burning of fossil fuels. And we'll consider and explain some of that. And then the third main idea is the 3 R's of conservation. All right? Natural resources can be conserved by following the 3 R's of conservation. That is, reduce, reuse, and recycle. All right, we're going to close our discussion on slide 96. Just want to mention something, just some examples of resources that we'll talk about, ones that are renewable versus non-renewable. Well, Earth has natural resources that can be replenished, as well as natural resources that cannot be replenished. If a resource can be replenished, we call that a renewable resource. If it cannot be replenished, we call that a non-renewable source. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I do hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comments below. Email me, give me a contact on message, and if I can, I'll help in any way I can. Have a nice day, and I do hope this lecture has been helpful. Take care. Bye.